What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Uh, okay, so you know how I be on Twitter. If you don't know my Twitter, you know how I be. Uh, I was doing some anime stuff, right, Bandit?
Yep.
Yeah, you know me, posting anime. I decided this one started gaining some likes, a few likes here and there. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna post this. I'm gonna post my "Wow, this really blew up" thing with a "Never gonna give you up," for a troll, a little bit of a troll there. Except, who knew? Who knew? Someone decided to spar with me this time. An idiot, as some would say, a dum-dum. So he replied, "Pipe down." It's only 100 likes. Oh my god, what a fail! Oh my god, right off the bat, get a load of this. Get a load of this idiot, right? Can't believe this guy. Oh, okay, so your point is what he says. I'm pointing at you, the idiot. Classic. Just owned him immediately, right off the bat. Destroyed. It's over. Another guy decides to chime in, probably his buddy. Whatever. You're self-promoting and at 100 likes in a thread that isn't yours. Oh my god. Can't believe this. Immediately tag teaming me here. 2-on-1. But, me. I'm a god. I'm a god at this sort of thing. So, moving on. He's on a new level of desperate. This is true. I believe it. Who's put all these idiots in one basket, is what I say. Oh my god, a classic one. This guy says, log off. Proper response is, log off my nuts. Obviously. That's just immediate. This guy sends a GIF. So I changed the subject, trying to get him talking. Yeah, if you hooked him in, this is some strategic for annoying people. I'm a master at annoying people, you come to me for lessons on how to annoy people. This video is titled How to Annoy People on the Internet, Episode 1. So once you got him hooked in, just start asking him questions. Are you from Europe? Is that important? Classic. Dodging my question. Even though, as you'll see later, he blames me for dodging his question. I don't know what that's all about. And I said it would explain a lot. And then he said, except it explains nothing. Oh my god. This is where I really got to go all out and get him angry. So I decided I want to pick on some of lesser mind, quoting a meme. Europeans, so if you are one, let me know. I'll put an end to this verbal beatdown. Trying to say that I'm, winning this situation, and obviously I'm just trying to carry him on. It's kind of silly. So you realize location doesn't equal intelligence. Oh my god, just a dumb response. Oh my gosh. Have you seen the map? Has he seen the map of the IQ? Compare. Oh my gosh, can't believe it. So I sent a funny GIF. Classic. Lost cause, and the dub is
Congratulations. You won. Congratulations. You won. Congratulations.
See? Easy dub. Now, this conversation spikes off at a few points. So let's go to this one. So he says, trying too hard. And I send an Obama GIF. So, Obama GIF, always useful. All right. Oh, okay. Okay, where are we at? Where are we at here? Where are we at? Okay. All right, so point. All right. Yeah, this is where it spikes off at a different point as well. I'm just stating a fact that 100 likes isn't blowing up. He's just never. If you're trying to annoy someone, never say "just" in your sentences. That proves that you're of lesser mind and that you're the lower point here. So I sent a giggle GIF because he said "just," and I was also baiting, and my bait worked. So owned. Do you actually think you blew up? So then I decided. He still doesn't get it. I'm gonna send Rick Astley doing a little dance. Gotta love Rick Astley. All right. Deliberately choosing to ignore my question. Okay, now he's a little upset. So I'm gonna bump him up with the upset level, going with "I'm famous." You're pathetic. Classic saying "I'm pathetic." That's a clear sign of anger. So I'm gonna hit him with the.
That's what the kids call epic fail.
And then he says the same thing back to me. I've realized I've won this engagement, so I'm going to hit him with the...
I'm the master.
I do not have to answer. It's a dub. Easy dub. All right, this is how you annoy people. Just saying, if you want to learn from the best. Thank you for watching.